Today we are going to be working on this car right here. 2002 RSX Type S has been just sitting in my driveway, not being driven. And today we are going to be taking off the coilovers that I put on there. I may not put the old ones on today, but the old one's gonna go back on there. Cause as you can see down there, I put BC Racing coilovers on here, but I was only able to put on 2 of them. This side and the driver's side, front. Because for some reason, this side, the coilover that I bought for this side doesn't fit. So I don't know why. I might just take them off and sell them because I need my bread back, bro. Say goodbye. So I'm gonna go ahead and work. I may not do any cinematics or stuff. I'm about to just get the work done, bro. So I'll catch you on the next clip.
The next day. The next day.
What's good? Next day fit right here. Something chill in the morning. First thing we gotta do, we gotta take that and ship that right there. I ship the coilovers and go ahead and work on the car. You know what I'm saying? And then we gonna pop out to the meet. So I need y'all to sit back, relax, and enjoy this banger, bro. That's how you roll up. We just dropped off the goods. Now we are headed to Harbor Freight so we can get this trim removal tool, because when I remove these trim pieces, I'm not breaking a single one. So I'm gonna get the full set and I'ma sweat, bro. Simple. I'ma sweat. I ain't gonna say too much right now, but I'm telling you, this car will be transformed in the upcoming days. So y'all stay tuned to the videos, bruh, and watch this car get transformed, bruh. Y'all gotta stick with me through the process. This is a process, you feel me? Maybe this is a good time to say I sold the RSX. Yes, I sold the RSX Type S, but it was to a relative, you know what I'm saying? So car has just been sitting, so you know, I got that car up and out of here, you know what I'm saying? I didn't feel like spending my money on it, bro. And I've been saving. You know what I want to invest in, you feel me? Even though I could have got that car right looking nice, but it's just what my goals are now, bro. That car just doesn't align with my goals right now, you know what I'm saying? I will have videos of it in the future, though. So the ones who like the Type S, you know what I'm saying, and want to see that joint done, I know me personally, I would love to see that car up and running and driving. I'm excited, but y'all just tune into the videos, bro. That car will be on the channel soon, bro. Or channel sometime, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all stay tuned, simple. Wait. First thing we're opening is, I don't even know. One I'm really weird about. What is this? I don't even know what this is. I know what it is. I know what it is, but you don't. If y'all know, the front grille has this little joint right here. This is a new one, which is clean. This one gonna look clean on the front end, won't it? Yes sir, yes sir. Do not open with sharp origin. I don't think this is sharp, right? What's up, everybody? Today we are installing these hood vents on the Mustang GT. This is a 2019 Mustang GT. As you can see, I already put one on the car. Yep, already put one on the car, so you can see from a distance, right? But that joint look alike. They gotta compare, you know what I'm saying, from the stock to the new joints I'm putting on. Real simple install. The packet comes with a manual and it shows you how to do everything. So first thing first, pop the hood, put it down. So you had to take off this clip right here. Luckily, I ain't break no clips. I ain't break none of these clips. All I did was rip some of the fender liner and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you how to take off these clips. So what you wanna do is you wanna try to get the ply bar under this flat surface. And then there's, you know, this is a round on the top. It's like a mushroom. You know, it's like a mushroom. Try to get it under there, right? And then ply up, you know, pry it up. So, get it under there. Right? Push under there. Get the little, this in between, right? Put it in between the little stem. So if you're doing this with a screwdriver, you do the same thing, try to get here, and then you can get like a little wrench, and then, you know, the wrench, it's like this, and you can try to do that and pull it up, or you can grab needle noses or just pry with the screwdriver, whatever you want to do, and then you just pull it down. You might need to go in the circle a little bit. Try to put your hand down so it don't fall. There you go. Boom. So you see what I'm talking about? Right? Boom. 3/8, 4 screws. So we take it off. Oh, y'all seen it live, bruh. Y'all seen it live. Bro, I already lost 2 screws into the engine bay on the other side, bruh. Don't be like me, bruh. Do not be like me. Oh my God, bruh. That's my 3rd screw I lost, bruh. That's, bruh. See, like, I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all see the nut down there? Hold on. I don't even see it. Where is it at? It's right. Where's that silver piece? It's right there. Aww. Hopefully I have a magnet, but if not, GG's. Lift and push. And then pull. Pull with your hand. Lift, push, pull, and it'll come out. Simple. Just like that. So here's the old joint. with the little rectangle with the 4 holes. It ain't perfect. I'm sorry if I ripped it right here. Just make sure you put more water than what I did. You can go ahead and take these joints out. One more. Oh, boom. And then now, all you do is push it down. Now you're gonna hear some. That's just the stud going through the hood. Good. Making sure it's flush. And then you can push down on each side. Now look. They're not shaking. I can't even like lift it up. They flush. Look. They're not moving. Get that joint on my car. But yeah, man. Those were the hood vents installed. I hope y'all enjoy. I'll be putting this right on there. How y'all feel about the new grill? I'll give y'all a nice little shot. I love it. I love it. I have more stuff coming for the car. It's only the beginning.